Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8. And in today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix Gmail notifications not working on Android. So first of all, launch Google Play Store on your Android devices. Go to the search option at the bottom. Then search for Gmail. Here we go. Tap on Gmail on top. Now over here, instead of the option of open, if you see the option of update, tap on it and make sure that Gmail is updated to its latest version. Once the app has been updated, this would fix errors and bugs issues of the app. Now another step you could do in order to fix your issue is that launch settings on your mobile devices. Once you come here, go ahead and tap on notifications. Now on top, tap on App Notifications. From here, scroll down below and then make sure that the toggle for Gmail has been turned on. You can also tap on Gmail over here. Once you come here, make sure that the toggle for Allow Notifications is turned on. Also, you can enable sound and vibration, and you can also enable notification badges and pop-ups at the bottom given over here. Choose the notification style according to your preferences so that your issue will be fixed. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.